Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix search bar not working in Windows. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Right-click Search, click End Task. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Search and Indexing. Third method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download tool now. Select ISO file, click Next. Click Finish. Select Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.